Welcome, friends. Welcome to another Pizza of the Week. And this is another one from my time in production TV commercials here in Toronto. There's a place called Terroni that everyone seemed to love to order from. And Terroni's one of those places where you can only order the pizzas on the menu. No substitutions. They'll kick you out. So this one I really like because it has mushrooms, prosciutto, a little bit of mozzarella with a fine, thin coating of tomato on the base. Not pizza sauce, just crushed tomato. So we're going to start out with our dough, and you just go around the outside of the dough and make a little bit of a dimple to define where the edge of the crust is. And then once you're done dimpling through the outside, you press down through the middle, and you're trying to press the air from the middle to the outside. Now, it's not round. It's not a big deal. It'll be okay. And this is based on our regular 72-hour dough, but I didn't have time to let it have that long, slow ferment. So I made this morning. It's been maybe about 8 hours since I made the dough, so it's not going to stretch quite as nicely as it would had it been given that full 72 hours. But, you know, just be gentle with it. You don't need to throw it around much. Just use the back of your fists and pull it apart. Let it stretch itself. Even just put it down on the bench and do this kind of a motion. Works really well. So get that out, and then a little bit of flour on the peel and onto the peel. Stretch it out a little bit, and then on goes the crushed tomato. And the crushed tomato gives a much brighter flavor than a tomato sauce. Different flavor. Not better, just different. And not too much. A little bit of mozzarella, and I'm using a fresh mozzarella, which is a little bit wetter than sort of that pizza cheese, although I really like pizza cheese too. Okay, and some mushrooms, and you can use whatever mushroom you like. If you can get a porcini mushroom, that would be great, but whatever's available to you and whatever you like, really. You can make substitutions in your own house. And so now on with the prosciutto. Just lay it on. Doesn't need to be too thick, just a couple pieces, and out to the oven.
Excellent. What do we have today, Glenn?
Pizza of the week. So this one is pretty simple, just prosciutto, mushrooms.
Oh, one of your favorites.
Yeah. Still pretty hot.
As always.
Now,
Looks pretty good, though.
and even with this just being an 8-hour dough, the dough looks amazing. I don't think I got any prosciutto.
Oh.
Take some. Simple.
Simple, clean, fresh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Easy flavors. I mean, if you wanted to dress it up, put a little olive oil on it. Sprinkle on some hot red pepper flakes if you really wanted to at this point, right now. But you don't have to have a lot on a pizza to make it really flavorful.
No. Lots of options.
Lots of options. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.